Good morning, sir. We welcome
Good
you
morning.
to Marshalls and thank you for coming and inaugurating our Ulf Morris collection. Such a pleasure, friends, to have architect Ketan Sheth with us today. Sir, please tell us what inspired you to become an architect.
Great question. I was to, like, I can talk about my little story on it.
Yes.
I was to join diamond business actually, but I was very good in my drawings at that time, and for some reason I could not get entry into diamond trading. Then I was highly inspired with Hafiz Contractor and Naushad Talati at that time, when I used to see them doing so many buildings, interior projects, and all that, and that really inspired me to get into this industry. Very interesting field.
Okay. So, sir, how long have you been in the business of architecture and interior design?
Since last 22 years, December 1989, we opened up our office in the name of Sheth Associate. Then lately we changed, and now we are Goldmine Project Consultant Private Limited.
Okay, so over 2 decades of being in the industry.
Yes.
So you don't look old enough or senior enough to be 22
It's
years.
a compliment. Thank you.
Great. So, sir, what do you specialize in? Is it residential? Is it commercial? Is it hospitality? Or you ventured into each and every field and
We have different verticals. Initially, when we started, we were absolutely into residence, because the easiest way to get into this industry is to start with some friends' residence or some relatives' residence. But over a period of time, with good amount of experience, now we have a different verticals. We have got a residential division. We have got vertical for commercial and offices. Then we have got now recently a vertical for retail division as well as for hospitality.
okay. Retail is another innovation.
Yes, absolutely. And it's a huge market. Retail is a huge market.
Yeah, I think identification is most important and
Yes, we become matured very lately to understand and to identify all these divisions. But amazing industry.
so, sir, which out of your work of last 22 years, which could have been the most challenging project so far?
See, every time I feel like it is you have to prove yourself at every stage. So it is not that every time when I take a new assignment, it's a challenging assignment for us, because the requirements are different. Even our understanding has also grown up so much that now we also keep asking many questions to our client. So the challenges starts from there only. So every project we find, they are more challenging, and we try to really justify all those requirements of our clients, try to innovate something different. We have a separate division which creates only designing. They are like R&D kind of division. So their day in day out business is to grab a new design, to develop a new concept. So we are very strongly working on that area.
Okay, wonderful. So, which would be the most memorable project so far? A lot of very different projects that you've done,
Yes.
right from an 8 floored bungalow created and executed in a short span of time to a columnless entire banquet.
Yes.
I think 12,000 square foot
Correct,
banquet which
correct.
is columnless. So which could have been your most memorable? That
My-
this is what you treasure even
Yes,
today.
the almost 12, 13 years back, when people came up with a hardware furniture showroom in India. So I am a trendsetter for them. At that time we came up with a new concept to create a furniture hardware showroom. Those who are selling handles, locks and all that, they wanted to glorify their showroom actually, because you see most of the showrooms were in a very typical way. So we standardized the concept for them, and now if you see in the entire India, I would say people are using that concept. Unfortunately, we have never patented that, but it's a huge thing. And I personally, I was involved so much into that kind of showrooms like Shakti Hardware, Brass Touch, Tej Light. We changed the entire concept of furniture hardware showroom in India. So that was something which really helped. I feel we have done some good amount of what do you call, some amount of contribution in that.
Wonderful.
And recently, yes, banquet hall, as you said, we did it in 105 days and 23,000 square feet, quite challenging. And this 8-story bungalow, it's a very small family, 5 members in the house, and we did it in just 9 months, the
So
entire
these are,
bungalow.
I think, right from construction to execution.
Correct.
Yeah, it's wonderful, sir, because today the timelines is something which is 8-10 months just for an interiors of 2
Yeah,
to 3,000
absolutely.
square feet.
Our always major challenge is to complete the project in a short time. So we put a lot of efforts within the office how to complete the. If we have committed 5 months, then we try to complete it in 4 months. So that is where our major challenge is, and we genuinely work and we put many efforts to reduce our time frame.
Okay, great. So it's not just design but also execution,
Yeah.
which helps in completing a project. much
Absolutely,
faster.
absolutely.
Great. So today, with exposure to so many interior products, and you've seen a time where there was a limited option available, and today where there is so much of option in every product that you would touch. So what really is the learning, out of it, and what would be your advice to the new coming generation in terms of understanding of a subject and how they should go about doing things?
Yeah, very nice thing. I always tell my entire team, keep your antenna on. You have to keep your eyes open, wide open, because whenever you go anywhere, any store or outside the stores, you see many things are visible nowadays, and you never know what thing will really helpful to you in your design project. So you have to keep your antenna on. You have to keep your ears and eyes open very widely. And in today's time, our clients are also very intelligent because of the exhibition and because of the understanding of the product. They are also quite educated, so they also guide us a lot. Take their advice, incorporate that in the project, and result is really good. But of course, yes, your designing has to be your only. It should not be somebody else's. Keep your focus very clear, and this wide variety in the product has really helped us. We can explore huge possibility in the designing concept, and every design now you see, suppose if you are using wallpaper X and tomorrow Y wallpaper you use it, or ABC wallpaper you use it, the site looks entirely different.
Yes.
So that is a great thing to do.
Sir, I know that architects, who are working with a 10-year, 15-year, 20-year experience, they know their subject so well. Where do you think that today's architects stand? Are they really putting that effort and initiative to learn and gain knowledge, or are they more superficially doing things?
I feel there are always two type of designers, according to me. Maybe I am right or wrong, I don't know. But there are designers who are very serious in their business, and they try to create something out of the world, out of the box. And there are designers who are just doing for the sake of doing it. It is for them, it's a business. It's not a passion. So I would put it that way. People are doing either business or people are absolutely passionate about this designing concept. So you can very clearly see the difference when the sites are ready. So it is more about passion than only doing a business. Yes.
Wonderful, sir. That's such a good thought. Sir, which could be your dream project? This is what I want to create, and as a signature of yours.
Oh, like in now 2013, we are planning to launch our another company in the brand SO.
Okay.
SO. So there we will be doing lot of designer product.
Okay.
So we will be selling, like you see, mostly the products we see people are getting it from either designer. Most of the designer are coming from Italy.
Yeah.
So we are trying to bring that concept in India, and we will be manufacturing some limited edition kind of furniture, some artifacts, something like that.
Okay.
So that is my immediate dream to do.
Okay. Great. So that's another vertical that you're going to be
Yes.
establishing. And
Yes.
Great, sir. Such an honor to have you here, and such a pleasure to talk to you.
Thank you so much, Monaji, for calling us.
Pleasure.
Thank you so much.